All right, today we're going to talk about the file format for shooting video. Okay, first of all, in order to get to this setting, you're going to go into the menu mode, and then you're going to go to movie 1, which is 1 out of 9 on the movie setting right here. Do you see that right there? Okay, all right. Once you get there, you're going to see something that says file format. You see that? I'm clicking on it. File format. Right now, it's in XAVCS 4K. All right. Now, I'm going to click on that. And right now, it's clicked on that, so it has that file format. Now, about the XAVCS 4K records in 4K resolution, which is 3840 by 2160, okay? You can save movies on a computer using the Play Memories Home software, which you can download. Go to Sony and download that, that app, the software. And then you have a different format, okay? This right below is the XAVCS HD, okay? This is a lesser quality format than the XAVCS 4K, okay? Now this right here records in a crisper quality than AVC HD, with larger amounts of data than AVC HD, okay? You can save movies on a computer using this with the Play Home software, okay? Next, we have the last but not least, it's really a good quality, but it uses the least amount of data on your card, okay? It is the AVC HD. This format has a high degree of compatibility with storage devices other than your computer. Okay, so if you need just to show video and quickly and you don't need the high resolution, I would select that. Okay, you can save movies on a computer or create a disk that supports this format using the Play Memories Home software, which you can download if you go to Sony. All right, let me know if you have any questions about the file format and for shooting video. Thanks a lot for watching.